Now we'll look into the recovery section. Here you can see the pre-op and block is turned green. That means this data is entered. So we'll go to our first patient and look for recovery. This data can be entered by yourself, or if you got a multi-user license, can be entered by a recovery nurse. Click on this and you can enter the pain score individually at the time when the patient of arrival, when the patient is awake or before discharge. There are a couple of optional scores which you can enter: nausea, vomiting, and sedation score. You can choose what recovery analgesia was done. If you've done a block, you can enter, repeated a block, you can enter all the details again. You don't have to enter the block technique and all those things. Then click on tick, and if you go back, you will notice that the recovery has gone green. Now this patient is ready for analysis, but it still got an incomplete data entry. You can go to the next patient, and here you will see again the smart data entry system where it has recognized from your previous data entry. Again, this is editable. If you've done a block under spinal anesthetic or a central neuraxial block, enter the block analgesia profile after that spinal anesthetic has worn off. You can see there are some default settings here, and you can click whatever has happened to this patient because each of these default entries can be edited. When you click on the tick and go back, the information is saved and the sync is simultaneously happening. The follow-up and feedback are optional fields, and you can enter it as required basis.